It's your boy Keno, guys. We're here live at the Union Station, 17th Street in Denver, Colorado. So this is the downtown of Denver, and it's a beautiful place. Beside me are beautiful people. This is a great family, and I'm opportune to meet them, making sure that they are fine and teaching them how to speak the Igbo language. So tonight, I would like you guys to sit, relax, don't go nowhere. They will speak Igbo language and they will interact with us. Do you guys know any part or any area in Nigeria, like any tribe? What about you guys? No, okay. So tonight I will tell them and I will teach them. So I'm from the Igbo tribe. In Nigeria, we have different tribes. We have the Yoruba, we have the Hausa, and we have the Igbo. So the Igbo is where I'm from. So that's my tribe. And I will be teaching you guys those basic language. It's gonna be funny. So I will say Kedu.
Kedu.
Nice. So Kedu means how are you?
Oh, okay.
How are you doing? Yeah, you say Kedu, how are you doing? Now we're gonna say Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Woo, guys. Ndewo. Guys, you see they are doing it. So Ndewo means greetings. Just like you said, hi, hello, you know, those basic ones.
Afambo Sisi.
Okay.
Afambo Noah.
Afambo Charlene.
Okay.
Afambo Lily.
Dude, I love this family. These guys are amazing. I tell you, they are amazing. Abum Onye Imo State.
Apu Onye Imo State.
Say it again.
Abum Onye Imo State.
Emo Omba Imi State.
Okay, can you say Abum Onye Imo State?
Abum Onye Imo State.
Say it one more time.
Abum Onye Imo State.
Album Unya Inu State.
Okay, Abum Onye Imo State means I'm from Imo State. So Imo State is like a state like we have Colorado in Nigeria. So that's where I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria. So please, do you have social media accounts where you can tell my fans so that I can follow you? Like Instagram?
TikTok, it's CCSG.
Okay.
Subscribe and follow him.
Follow. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. All right, Mama.
Nice to meet
Me
you.
too.